Hi you guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel where we do stuff every day, all year round, 24/7, 365 you guys. So, in the last video we were eating a leaf. In this video we're gonna eat another leaf. Yeah, that's right. I'm a leaf eater, this is my YouTube channel, what you gonna do about it? So, in my last video we were having a maple leaf. That's great, it was fibery and fantastic. But today I'm gonna teach you how to eat an oak leaf. So first thing you want to do, you want to find an oak tree. And here we got a fantastic oak tree just sitting here waiting to be eaten. So what I do is I grab a leaf with my index, finger and thumb. I grab a leaf, wipe it off. Yeah, that's an oak leaf, all right. I'm gonna bite into it with my teeth and then I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. So yeah, okay. Oh, this is great. This is fantastic, I'm telling you. But yeah, that's how you eat an oak leaf. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button, hit it real hard with your finger. That's all for me now, you guys. See you next time and take care, all you guys.